Deandre Hibbert, position attacking midfield.
My name is Donte, my position right wing back.
Alright, 3 points today. Both of these contributed to the goals. What's your thoughts on the game today? Deandre?
It's tremendous. My thought on the game that we went out there and really play well. Follow the coach instruction and we get the job done.
Your goal, wonderful goal. What was going through your mind when you get past the player?
Nothing was going through my mind. I just see the goal and I look up and I finish.
First time scoring a goal like that?
So, yes. That's my first.
Well, I guess you're going to save those and do them type of goal in the archive, right?
Yes, sir.
So overall, 3 points here, moving on to the next phase. What do you expect? You expect a better performance from this?
Yes, we just have to build on it and go back to the drawing board and come again.
You think the weather had anything to do with how the game panned out?
No, sir. It was a great game. We keep the ball, keep the position of the ball, dominate the whole 90 minutes of the game, sir.
Alright, good game, Emergence, and well done.